Hi everyone, welcome to Fatimah Graphics. I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to start Adobe Photoshop. So this lecture is about removing the background, and I will give you a very quick tip that how can you remove the background of your image. So let's get started. So this is the welcome screen of Photoshop, in which you can see that there are some previous work which is going on, and to move the Photoshop interface, just click on this Photoshop icon. Now we are in the Photoshop interface. So this is the interface. Now we have to import images of which we will remove the background. Just go to file folder and select the images which you want to import. I am selecting these two images which I have downloaded from unsplash.com. So drag these two images in Photoshop. So you can see this is the image of background and this is the image of beautiful model. So currently we can't do any work on this image. If you see in the layers panel, the images are locked. You can unlock this and you can do the work on it. Firstly, we will duplicate this layer, so our original layer should be safe and sound. Hold it and drag it on this plus icon. So the duplicate of this background image is created. So you can unhide this background image on clicking on this I button. So now we will work on this image. We have to remove this background. Just simply go to the main menu and click on select option and then choose the subject. This is very unique function of Photoshop 2020. It will automatically detect that there is a sharp edge and it will create line with marching ants. So click on this rectangle marquee tool. Here you can see select and mask option will be visible. So click on it, and here are so many features which we will discuss later on. For now our image is perfect, so just click on OK button. Now you can see that the background is removed from this image. The next step is go to the background image and hold it and drag it where we have to add it. So this is our background. So now its background is on the top and our model is behind it. So what we will do, look at this layer panel. Hold and drag the layer of model and adjust it on the top like this. Simply hold and drag it. So now our model is on the top. So we have to adjust it here like this. And I think this is looking better than the previous one. So in this video you have seen that how can we remove the background of any image. So just make practice of this new feature and remove the background of different images. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.